We captured over 100 different kinds of nudibranchs while visiting Indonesia in January. We were blown away by the variety, colors, and sizes of these wonderful creatures, and wanted to share just a few examples of what we saw. If you like nudies, you'll love this video. Before we settle into some nice background music, there are a couple of notes we'd like to share. First, not all nudibranchs are small. These two lumpy Dendrodoras were at least 8 inches long, and, according to the Nudibranch ID book, they can actually grow up to 30 inches, which is basically a small rug. Coming in at up to 12 inches are Plurobranchs. This four-skulls Plurobranch was the size of a small football. And if you can see through the cloud of plankton, this Perrin's Plurobranch was quite active. Ceratosimas can get up to 5 inches, and these slender Tibet nudibranchs were every bit of that. They get their name from the lateral lobes extending from the sides near their gills. The length of this Ceratosima trilobatum was hard to gauge because it appeared to be coiled up. The reason for that became obvious when we got to the side where you can see a beautiful red ribbon of eggs. This bright yellow many-lobed Ceratosima was also laying eggs. The rest fall into a more normal size, ranging from a few inches down to less than a quarter inch. All of these clips were shot with an iPhone 15 Pro Max, housed in a Divevolk Seatouch 4 Max. Most using Divevolk's +8 close-up lens, but that has its limits. If you want to see very small nudies, check out Leslie's Instagram account, where you can see things like this, which is known as Sean the Sheep. Another item to note is that we don't dive in this area of the world often, and are certainly not as well versed in marine creature identification as we are with Caribbean sea life. To that end, we may not have gotten all of the names correct. Feel free to nudge us in the right direction in the comment section below. Finally, if you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing to the TropicLens channel. That would make us all warm inside. Perhaps not enough to counter a 15-degree thermocline drop, but a little warmer. Thanks! Smiley face.